Back to my channel, and into this video I'm going to show you how to remove pimples, blemish from picture like this. Just as you can see on your screen, something changes from this to this. All right, so look closely, you can see there is a difference between this and this. All right, this is before and this is after the process. All right, so I'm going to take you step by step how we can achieve this, all right, using Photoshop. So if you are new to my channel, I am Emma Graphics, and in this channel I take you through step by step tutorial on how you can perform graphic design work and other packages as well. So kindly subscribe by clicking on the red button below and turn on the notification bell in order not to miss any of my future upload, and stick to the end of this video for you to understand. Without any further ado, open your system. So I'm going to remove this pino. That's the model, that's what I call pino. So we are going to remove it completely. So I'm going to bring in a new one, the same picture anyways, but the original one. So I'm going to drag it and drop it here just like this. All right, so now when you bring your picture here, I don't know how you do it. All I did was to just drag and drop. So I drag the picture and I drop it here. So I'll have something like this. So once you have something like this, you need to make a new layer, create a new layer. So this is how you create a new layer. Just drag it from here and drop this particular one second to the last one. Remember, the last one is like a delete. As you can see here, delete layer is the second to the last one, is to create a new layer. So you have a new layer. If you like, you can rename this background to model or something. If you don't want to, you just leave it the way it is. So the next thing you are going to do is to press Ctrl I to invert. You have something like this. Okay, so you have something like this. For those of you using Mac or MacBook or whatever, I think Command I will do the same thing. So once you are done, come here, change it from normal to vivid light. So you have something like this. So once you have something like this, the next thing you are going to do, you go to filter and then click on others and click on high pass. So inside here, so you can just play around with this. Okay, just increase it or you decrease it. So I prefer 15.3. I just give you 15.3 and I press OK. Go back to filter again and click on blur, click on Gaussian blur. You can increase it to 3.1 or 3 point, depend on the result you have here. I prefer 3.1. Okay, I'll press OK. All right, so once you have something like this, the next thing you are going to do, you need to create add a layer mask to this particular one. So you come here and add a layer mask to this particular one, then press Ctrl I again to invert. All right, something like this. So you have something like this. So the next thing you are going to do, make sure that this background color is black, and then the foreground color here is white. This your foreground color, let it be white, and this background color should be black. Don't miss this. Okay, it's very important. So now go to your brush. So this is your brush. You see your brush here, and then use your brush and start brushing like this. All right, start brushing. Take your time. If it is a job you are doing for somebody, you really need to take your time to clean it. If the brush is not big enough, the next thing you are going to do, you right click on it, so you can increase this brush or you decrease, just depend on what you want. So you come back and continue your brushing. So all right, so just continue brushing. As you can see, we are removing the pimples and all of that. Now the pino is looking beautiful now, isn't it? Okay, continue brushing, continue. So you can just bring it down for you to do the same thing down here. Just continue doing the brushing. Now you just continue brushing until you have a perfect result. Okay, you take it up again, so you can do this particular one. Just take it, don't touch the hair, just take it easy, take your time. Like I said, take your time to do it like that. All right, so at the end you will have something like this. Okay, So now look at it now. So look at it before. So before you can see all these pimples, but now we were able to get rid of it. Okay, so tell me what you think under the comment section, and if you have any question, suggestion on any other topic subject, you can also let me know under the comment section, and I will be very happy to respond. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.